Learn's been down quite a bit today. Did anybody get through it at all?
I did.
Okay.
I did not. Today's been like really crazy for me with school, and I've just been crazy busy. And iLearn was down last night, so yeah, kind of a mess for me as well.
Hmm. Well, we can definitely work through the problems together, and it seems like it's not too long of a quiz.
Right.
Uh, Number three. What'd you guys get for that one?
We assume that the standard deviation is unknown.
Yeah, pretty simple.
Yep.
So the null hypothesis of is equal to 8. Alternative is greater than 8. Don't know the standard deviation, know the rest. So I guess we just need to calculate it. Did you guys get through that one yet, or?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Yeah, I got through it.
What'd you get for? Wait, are you on number 4?
Correct. So
What'd you
for
get?
number,
Uh-huh.
I put that we don't know because it just says right there that it's not known.
Yeah, I said no too.
And then for number
But
3,
in
we
the
assume
reading, it talks about how S is the standard deviation.
S is like it, but it's not the same exact thing. Like, that's still representing the other one.
Okay. I was a little confused on that. I had no first, but then I read that and I was like, wait.
I'm gonna say no because the symbol that they use for it is saying it's not known.
Yeah, that's what I figured. I just wasn't sure because in the reading it says that it's the standard deviation, or the S is the standard deviation. So.
Yeah. So to calculate the value of t, it looks like we just used the formula. The t equals x with the line over it minus the u thingy
Yep.
over s divided by square root of n. So what did everybody get for that?
I got 1.5.
Yep, that's what I got.
Yep, 1.5.
Perfect.
Okay.
For 3, we assume that it is unknown, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay, great. And whoa.
Alexis, did you finish it?
I did a lot of it, but I don't know if I'm doing it right.
Oh, okay.
Because I didn't get a chance to read all the reading because since iLearn was down, I just started like 20 minutes ago.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Okay, so I know I have that Excel up, so I know you copy. Wait, Shelby, you did it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you
So you
copy all the.
copy all the values into A, like that long list.
Yeah, into variable 1.
Yeah, and then you. What is it?
You're on the one sample t-test tab, right?
Yeah, yeah. So then I know you put 95 where it says confidence level 0.95, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And then you would put where it says null hypothesis, you'd put 98.6.
Yeah.
And
And
then you
then
would put
the
less
type
than.
of test is less than.
Okay, and is that the only things you enter? Because it's all it gives you, right?
Yep. And then the rest of them are just computed.
Is that the quantitative, or which? Yeah, the quantitative inference.
Inference procedures, yeah. Alright, so what did you get for X?
X. And that would just be the mean.
That's what I thought.
I'm pretty sure it's mean.
So it's 98.22.
Isn't 0.23 if you put it out one more?
No, mine is 98.220.
Huh.
I'll see what I got.
I just had my calculator over here. 1 minute.
I got 98.220.
Alright, that's what I got.
Okay, that's fine. Let's give it a shot.
Okay. And then what did you get for S?
Do we just use the standard deviation for that then?
I think so.
Yeah, I got .922.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then for the T-score, I got negative 1.843.
Yeah, me too.
Okay.
What'd you get again?
And
Negative.
1.842.
Wait,
Or 843, sorry.
yeah, 843. I was.
Okay.
Uh-oh. Maybe I did it wrong. And the p-value.
I got .041.
Yeah, that's what. Well, I wasn't sure how we should round that because it's .04048. In mine, at least.
But if you do it 3, you would just look to the right, which would be a 4, so then you would round down to 1, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
0.001.
Yeah. No,
Wait.
it's 0.041.
Okay.
Yeah. 0.041.
And then we reject the null.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Have you guys done 11 yet?
I tried, yeah.
Alright, well, we can give you a few minutes to go ahead and do that then, Brandon.
Okay.
Great. Is it 42? Is 11?
42?
Yeah.
I
What
did
did
not.
you?
I got
didn't.
995.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Wait, what? What'd you guys get?
.995.
What the heck? Um. Okay. Well, let's go with point. You got everyone got .995.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, let's go with that. I'm not sure what's going on here.
Oh, we want to make sure you understand it too.
I'm still learning how to use this calculator. So, hold on.
Do you have the Excel sheet up?
Yeah. So it's like the Excel. I don't know why I have problems with it. When I click paste, and I took an Excel class. When I click paste, it goes. It won't go in the square that I type it in. It goes in one down, and it's throwing me off.
Weird.
I don't know. Like, I have problems with my Excel. Like when I try to open it, it says it can't open. Then I have to try to open it again to get it to work. I've like deleted the whole thing, and then I bought it again, and then I added it again. But it's like it still does the same thing. So I don't know what's going on.
Mhm.
So for number 12, I guess reject
I
the null
I
failed.
put fail to reject
Fail to reject.
because it's smaller
because
or
it's
no,
bigger.
bigger. It's bigger. Never mind. Never mind. Yeah. You decide to try another hypothesis is 40 lowest. So does the p-value increase or decrease? Hold on. 40. So the p-value would I think it's increased, right?
It decreases.
Yeah.
Wait, why does it decrease?
It would be a lot easier for you to understand if you could use your Excel sheet,
Yeah.
because literally all we did was input the numbers
Yeah,
and it calculated it for us.
Yeah, it's not working.
Well, if you're trying to copy and paste from the homework, that's probably your problem.
Well, I'm like really good with Excel. Like I can do pivot tables and macros, but like, yeah, I don't know what's wrong with this thing. So, okay, great.
'Cause if you just manually type in the numbers, you should be fine.
Hmm. Okay.
Do you want us to wait for you to play it around with it, or do you want us to keep going?
Just a minute. It's I might have gotten it. Great. Okay, just one second.
Okay.
Okay.
And I've been running around today. It's been crazy. Alright, I am not getting this. Actually, let's go ahead and move forward and I can try to
Bless
work on.
you.
Thanks.
Let's just go ahead and try to move forward, and I'll email the professor about this.
Alright, so we got decrease for 13, right?
Yep.
Okay, and then for 14 I put failed to reject again.
Yep.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, and then for 15 I put question 13.
Alright.
Is that what you guys got?
hmm
Yeah.
Awesome.
Awesome. Thanks, guys.
Oh, we got something wrong. We got the last one wrong.
Is
How?
Huh.
Compare the width of the confidence interval for question 11 to the confidence interval of 13. Which is wider? The width of the confidence interval.
I guess that makes sense.
Can you? Does it look wider or?
Well, the numbers for question 13 are so much farther apart than for question 11. I don't understand how that's wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know.
Like, that doesn't make sense at all.
Wait, if that's the p-value, if you, like, let's say on the applet, if you were to type that in, would the score be higher or lower? Hmm.
Hold on. Let me pull it up really fast.
Well, the p-value doesn't go into the applet. It's the z-score and the area that go into the applet.
Isn't that what the p-value is? Isn't it the same as the area? I think they're interchangeable.
I didn't think so, but they might be.
I don't know. I don't know about that one.
Oh well.
Yeah. Do you have a number I can type in really quick? I mean, we got it wrong. I don't know.
Well, it's not an actual number there. It's more of a thinking question. So.
It's alright.
Greater than or less than? Okay.
All right.
Cool.
Thanks,
Thanks,
guys.
guys. Have a good one.
See ya.
Bye.